How to add a workplace on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily add your workplace on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is open a Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is find the menu icon at the top right corner. Then you can find your profile banner, so you can go to your profile to edit your login info. Now what I can do is scroll down and tap on edit public details. I've already added my workplace randomly, so I'll just show you guys how you can do that one more time. So under details, you can go to edit and you can find the work option. So I'll just uncheck this and tap on add work. Then you can just search this, and once you select your workplace, you can select your job title. So let's just do manager for now, and I'll just select business management. You can add a location that's completely optional. And if you currently work here, you can check this, or if you have been a previous employee, then you can select it, your start date and your end date. So I'll just select currently working here, and I'll select my year. So let's just do 2022. Tap on OK. I'll just select the month as well and tap on done. Now you can select who can see your workplace. So if you set this to public, anyone on or off Facebook can see your profile and your workplace. And if you just do friends, only your friends will be able to see this. Now don't forget to tap on the save icon at the bottom. You can additionally describe what you did here and add a description of your work as well. I'll just tap on save just like so. And then the new workplace will be added. If you want to share this to your public feed, you can do that as well and tap on OK. If you don't want to share this to public, then you can change it on your settings. I'll just tap on share and now you're good to go. So if I just tap on save again, it will show me that I'm a branch manager at White Plains, New York. And there you go. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.